This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Casa Dream Florida. Location, location, location. Charming corner lot home for sale in Seminole Heights. This cozy property is fully fenced and features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a living room with a fireplace, a dining room, and a dedicated laundry room. Situated on an oversized lot, the property includes a detached garage that was being converted into an in-law suite, unfinished, with plumbing, electricity, and water already installed. There's also a shed with electrical connections. The exterior of the home was freshly painted, and it boasts impact-resistant windows installed in 2021, new plumbing from 2023, and a new air conditioner system from 2021. Conveniently located just minutes from downtown Tampa, University south of Florida, Busch Garden and a couple of blocks from the Tampa Zoo, easy access to I-275. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. For more information,